DeepSeek version 3 computer use. AI controlling computer. AI is opening my browser now. It's able to clearly identify the items in my browser. It's taking decision on what to click. And now it's coming to Google, searching for praise in AI. I'm not doing anything. And now it came to the browser, analyzing the result. And here is the result. I asked it to search for praise in AI and get the URL. And it is able to do that for me. I'm using DeepSeek version 3, which is one of the super powerful model, which is in par with Claude Sonnet 3.5. And with its ability to control the computer and taking decisions is much more accurate than other models. And we are going to use browser use web UI package. It's an AI agent in your browser. This is built on top of browser use. So this package, browser use, can be run using Python code. But gladly, we have a web UI, which means we don't need to write any code. Even if you're an absolute beginner, you should be able to run this. And this looks amazing. And I'm going to take you through step by step how you can install this. So you can give a task like this, and this agent is able to control your computer and perform the task for you. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. There is clear installation steps provided in this page. So in this case, we are going to use a package manager called UV. Installing is super easy. Just copy this line of code. I'll provide all the information in the description below. And then paste it in your terminal and then click enter. After that, we are going to clone this repo. You can also download directly by clicking this download zip, but I'm going to clone. So just copying this URL and coming to my terminal back again, git clone, browser use web UI and then click enter. Next, navigate to the web UI folder. Now you can open this in any code editor of your choice. I'm going to use VS Code. So when I open the folder, you got .env.example file here. So I'm clicking on that and we can use DeepSeek. Not only that, we can use Anthropic, Gemini, OpenAI to control this computer. But mainly we are going to focus on DeepSeek and also Google Gemini. So just rename this file to .env and paste your Gemini API key here if you want to use Gemini, and use DeepSeek API key here if you want to use DeepSeek. So Google Gemini is free for now up to a limit, and DeepSeek is very cheap, and you can also use Hyperbolic to get it for free. So once after you enter your API key, just save the file as .env. Just rename this as .env. So once after that, just type uv pip install -r requirements.txt to install all the required packages. Next, playwright install to install the playwright package. Now just type Python web UI, this IP address and the port number. And after this, click enter. Now our browser use is loading in this URL. So I'm going to open this URL, and now I have opened that URL, and you got different settings here. One more key thing to note is that it supports multiple models, including Ollama, to run your models locally completely for free, the open source models. So here, maximum run steps to control how many times it can try to perform or complete a task. Maximum actions per step. You can use vision for Google Gemini, but for DeepSeek, it doesn't use vision. So you need to untick this box to use DeepSeek. And I'm enabling the tool call. So in the LLM configuration, I'm choosing DeepSeek and then DeepSeek chat. You can also configure your base URL and API key if you want to integrate this with any other provider of your choice. Next, we got browser settings, the width of the browser, the height of the browser, whether to use your own browser or a new browser or a headless mode. If you already logged in with your credentials on your own browser, then you can use own browser, which means it's going to use your own browser, which already have access to all the things, and you can automate many different tasks. And I can see that it is so powerful after my test. So this is the task which I'm going to provide. Go to google.com, type Mervyn Praisen, click search, give me the first URL, and that's it. Just a simple task, but you can extend this from here. You can provide additional information such as hints here, but for now I'm going to keep as it is and click run agent. Now the browser automatically opens, and now it's navigating across the screen. It's able to detect the elements of the web page. That's why you can see borders around each and every element in a web page. And now it searched for me, got all relevant information about me. And finally, in the results tab, you will have my answer. So the first URL from the search result is youtube.com/@mervinpraisen. So if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe for more AI tutorials like this. I'm super excited about this. This is going to automate many of our complex tasks or repetitive tasks. And also considering you can use many different large language models with this. Do let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like this browser agent, I also created in-depth tutorial in regards to MCP, another computer use tutorial or computer agent released by Anthropic, which I'll provide the link in here, and I highly recommend for you to watch to understand more in depth, and I will see you there.